a throbbing, vibrating noise which builds up to a peak every so often and then settles down again, then builds up again and can't be pinpointed anywhere.
I actually heard the hum myself, and it is weird. It is a very, very weird, low, bassy humming sound that's there.
Could you give us a sense of what it sounds like?
Yeah, I'll try my hardest for you. It's like a... It's that sort of a sound.
On Sunday it was at its peak and it was vibrating, you could feel it through your body. And then it starts to die down again and then you feel it building up again.
It's like the village has been cut in half. This end doesn't seem to experience anything, but from midway downwards, the further down the village you go, it seems to be more and more. Some theories it's the mines, and it's the wind's whistling through the mines. The mines are 40 foot deep, so you're not going to be able to hear that. So I have no explanation for it. I am going to look more into it.
Okay, electricity, that's not.
No.
I think I can hear something now, but I'm not sure. I can hear my own machine going. Okay, right, so where's that coming from? Is that a generator? But there's no way this is the real hum.
If you listen for long enough, you don't know whether what you're hearing is silence or whether there's some kind of underlying sound in the distance which modulates. So I don't know. I think we need Derek Acora here, don't we? Derek would hear the hum.
Yeah.
Wouldn't he?